Welcome back. Now, actor and politician Kamal Haasan has triggered once again a controversy over the use of Hindi language. In fact, Haasan has now said that the language is taught to children and that is unacceptable. He's also said that Sanskrit is a dead language and it must not be imposed on the people. We'll now go across to my colleague Apurva for more on this. Apurva, not the first time, and we are seeing as to how Kamal Haasan has come out and in a way tried to use the language, Hindi language, for his own political gains ahead of these assembly polls this time. Please share more on this latest comment.
Well, Kamal Haasan was speaking at his election campaigning at Tirunelveli today, where, the actor turned politician of Makkal Nidhi Mayam's chief, Kamal Haasan, said that yes, he has definitely acted in several Hindi movies as well. He also named Ek Duje Ke Liye as one of the movies, and he said that yes, I have acted in Hindi language and several other languages, but nothing compares to Tamil. In fact, what he said is that yes, there is, he said, I'm not against Hindi. We don't have anything, but we must also see that we don't have anything wrong with Tamil or any other language. Kamal Haasan also reiterated saying that why must anyone want to, impose a dead language on people when there are several languages that are age old and are alive and thriving, but they want to shut them down. That is what Kamal Haasan has reiterated. In fact, he said that why must a new language be imposed when there are several other languages for the children of said state and of said other states, that they mustn't learn their own home language but must be forced to learn another language. That is what Kamal Haasan has reiterated time again, and this time as well he has made it very clear when he said that yes, I am not against Hindi, but he also said that I am not against Hindi, I am not against the language, but I am also against the fact that there must be some other ancient language, which is a dead language, that needs to be imposed on people, while there are several other languages that are people are still fighting to keep alive. So time and again Kamal Haasan has reiterated the fact that this is not it's not a language war, but it is something of the fact that there are several other languages that people are living for. He in fact very specifically said we are talking about one nation, one language, one rule, and he also went on to joke by saying one jibba, one kurta. We're all talking about one, and that one word is something that is going to cause a lot of perilous in a democratic country, is what he reiterated, while saying that while we're all looking for oneness, we are also losing sight of democracy, and that is something that needs to be definitely be held up, and we in Tamil Nadu will make sure that oneness does not ruin democracy. That is what Makkal Nidhi Mayam chief Kamal Haasan said at the press meet today at Tirunelveli. He had been very strong in his words when he said that yes, there are language wars that are happening, but he also said that yes, we can accept some language, but not at the cost of languages that have been here for several centuries to be brought to dust. And that is something that we need to look into. That statement that he has made, he has said that yes, they are trying to impose a dead language, but he has also said that yes, there are several other living languages that needs to be given the chance to flourish.
Certainly not the first time. We are seeing how Kamal Haasan is in a way trying to use the Hindi language now for his political or campaigning gains as well, Apurva. If you can reiterate for our viewers, in the past several times when he has done similar instances, last year he had also slammed Amit Shah and how the centre in a way is trying to push the Hindi language. And this time again he's stating that why are small children being taught the language?
Well, that's right. In fact, last year as well, when the Hindi imposition row had come up, Kamal Haasan had been very vocal about the fact. He had in fact slammed the Union Home Minister Amit Shah as well. He was giving a statement where he said that yes, he had reiterated back then as well that he is not against Hindi language, but he had said that yes, there needs to be children who needs to be learning newer languages, but they must also
once again, Apurva, we are seeing as to how actor turned politician Kamal Haasan has triggered a controversy over the Hindi language. We'll wait and see if this just continues throughout his election campaigning as well. Thank you so much.